An ecosystem is made out of non-living things and living things. The non-living things are air, shade, light, and water. The living things are animal and plants.
The question that we were trying to answer when we did the terrariums is why did we put the two cotton balls in the water dish?
Our terrarium is an ecosystem because it has non-living things and living things. Our non-living things are rock, dirt, a few leaves, and our living things are we have plants and animals.
The question that we were trying to answer when we did the terrariums is why did we put the two cotton balls in the water dish?
Welcome to Terrarium Gaming Show. Our competitors are Mommy and Sam. Our person who's telling the questions is Colton.
Okay, so our first question is, why would you think that we would plant grass into this terrarium?
I think we should plant grass because, I don't know.
Okay, so he passes. Now it is Sam's turn.
I think we should have the grass because then it'll make it more like an ecosystem with the grass and soil and gravel and rocks.
Correct. That is $500,000. For the next question, why would we have the two rocks with a leaf on top of it? Since Sam got it right last time, Tommy goes first this time.
I don't know.
Just take a guess, young boy.
Because they're both dead.
That is wrong. Sam's turn.
I think it could kind of be like a shelter for the animals, like how they would have to find shelter out there in the outside world, and they'd have to find a place to stay so they could survive.
That is wrong. Correct. Okay, for the next question. Why, now that fellow is gone, here is the next question. Why are there cotton balls in one dish, and why is there water in another? This question is $1 million. You want to see those orphans out there have a better home?
Yes, yes, please.
If either one of you get it right, it's orphan time. Okay, so answer the question now. Why is there two cotton balls in one and 0 in another water dish?
I shall answer the question.
Okay. He's going for the big one.
Okay, so there is one dish that we just added because Mr. Fisher told us to do that. And the second dish we think has cotton balls so that the animals can get the water.
That is Sam's turn now. I will say this question.
Okay, well, I think we added the water so we can kind of compare it with the one with cotton balls. And then it'll be like other animals are drinking out of that water. And instead of it just being those animals. Then it'll be like more animals are drinking out of it.
Okay. Now it is time for the winner for the $1 million, which you don't actually get $1 million, just so you know. It is for the orchid. Okay. The winner is
Sam.
no. It was Tommy.
So we put in about a centimeter deep of gravel, and then we put in about 1.5 inches deep of soil, and then over here we put some grass. We put 2 rocks in, and then we put a stick and 2 leaves, and then we put 1 water dish, and then another water dish, and an acorn. We planted perennial grass 2 centimeters deep right here, only in this corner. We have added another water dish without the cotton balls. We have a cricket that's dead, we have an earthworm that are dead, we have 1 cricket, and we have 15 mealworms.
We have had a big change in our terrarium. Our grass is growing really long.
We've had a big change. It is starting to grow mold, and we have one of our crickets. So right now we think that our mealworm has made a chrysalis. So all of our cotton balls took in all the water from the dish, and we could have made our results better by keeping the worms wet and feeding our crickets in some way. So our main results is that everything died, but 1 or 2 of our mealworms lived, and one of our mealworms is turning into some type of beetle.